Could Gorosaurus, the giant green dinosaur, as well as the giant sea snake, both from King Kong Escapes, as well as an old character from the Godzilla movies, appear in this new Kong Skull Island movie? Stick around to find out. Hey guys, I'm Zimzilla, and could Gorosaurus and the giant sea snake appear in Kong Sky Island? Well, it's very likely, as there's always been a theropod dinosaur in most of the King Kong movies. For example, in 1933 there was a three-fingered T-Rex that King Kong first fought as his first opponent. Later on in the 2005 movie by Peter Jackson, Kong fought the Vastosaurus Rex, or also known as the V-Rex. In this picture right here, you can see the V-Rex much more clearly, and this design would be very interesting for Gorosaurus, and this picture right here is as well, as they both have an updated look, but keep his original design almost intact, and just updating it. In this shot right here, you can see these quill-like appendages, and this raises the question of whether or not Gorosaurus would have feathers, as I know one YouTuber in particular would pick apart the movie if Gorosaurus didn't have feathers, as he likes to point out all dinosaurs had feathers. So, I don't know. It would be welcomed, and I would like to see a kind of mane like feathers around Gorosaurus' neck, as it would be very interesting, and it would capture a new look and have a feathered like large theropod dinosaur, and it just would seem interesting in my opinion. Moving on to the giant sea snake, which also appeared in King Kong Escapes like Gorosaurus. There's also been a serpent-like creature in all the Kong movies. For instance, there was one in the first Kong movie in 1933, and in a Kong remake, a giant snake replaced the typical theropod that Kong fought. In the 2005 movie, there was the Pteranodon. However, it did not fight Kong, and it was in the extras, but it was still there and still served the role. Now, thinking of Goro, could Goro Maki appear in the new Kong Skull Island movie? I mean, his name was Goro, and there was Gorosaurus. It could be interesting to have him as a paleontologist and discover the dinosaur on the island that Kong is living on and name it Gorosaurus. This is just my opinion, but it just would be kind of a nice little nod to the old movies and stuff, because just having old action would be cool and stuff like that. So, like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you think.